Hi everyone. So sorry about the properties of lab. I'm not exactly sure what's going on with Schoology and its link to Google Documents. Other teachers have been complaining about issues. It appears to me that there may be a Word version of it, so you can open up and download the Word version. If that appears at the bottom, don't try and open up this. So don't touch the Google Docs, but look at the bottom for attachments and open up the Word document. When you get to the Word document, you'd have to enable editing, and then you can type in your information here. Once you have that all typed in, you want to save it with your name. So you would go to File, Save As, and once the window pops up, it's taking my computer a little while, you want to make sure you just insert your name. Oh, of course, got to pick a place to save it. All right, so pick a place to save it, put your name, like Miss St. Fleur, okay, and then save, and then you can send that to me. For some students, it seems that some students actually see only the Word document. So if it's a Word document, try open that up. The Google Docs, I'm reporting to the Schoology Help Desk, see if there's anything they can do about it. But for right now, if you want to continue on and do the lab, use the Word document.